Hi, I'm Carmen Arabella's dad, and this is a candy that I brought from my, it's 10 pesos, but I think now it's only 5 pesos because I've eaten the 5 pesos worth of candy.
Gusto mo ka nga, kahit ako naiinit na.
And also,
Sinabi ko,
this is a
magpakailaman yung...
charcoal
Sige, bawag mo yung ating...
pentel pen. Sorry, it's
Nakikita
a
yung ano.
Sharpie pentel pen. I use this to write on stocks and on gifts and sometimes on the
O
blackboard
wala din
and
kasi yun si
whiteboard.
Daddy, kaya ang pangit mo eh.
And this is my favorite, an ever-ready used battery. I think I used this on a remote control once for our TV, but it's already used and has no more power.
Pangit ng ganyan, parang
And
sa
this
atin.
is what we call a receipt for pasta. My wife uses this for her deliveries. And this is what I call
Parang kang bula, ano?
food cover. To cover
Bungal, parang kang
food
bungal sa pan.
for our
Gusto ka
leftovers.
dito kapilo.
And this is a championship.
Dito, ayan, sabay.
Oh, sorry. This is for
Hindi na, tumigil dito.
best batik dancers for my daughter. She won this last April 20. It's made of pure gold and pure
Please
wood.
shut up. Please. Nakawa.
There. And for my favorite product,
Wait naman, itanggalin mo lang doon. Naiinis na ako eh.
my Green Lantern mug. I like this mug because my coffee, when it's hot, I can hold it and then I can drink
Ano
it.
ganyan? Ang pangit. O yan.
I drink it every day, depends on the time. Usually morning, usually it's afternoon if I am night shift. And this is my leftover hamburger from Jollibee,
Ang gawin mo daw
which my wife got me because we came from a party. It tastes good. It's got cheese and a burger and mayo and some bread.
You want?
No, this is a candy which is 1 peso worth. And this is a balloon.
Successful now, bye-bye.
I'm not